some of these motorcycles on Uber, but we didn't have to wear helmets. So it was probably less safe, but it was better because I could hear. These helmets are strange because I have to scream and hear. It's hard to hear. But motorcycle riding is fun.
Are you a vlogger, sir?
Am I what?
Are you a vlogger?
Oh, a blogger. A lot of people ask me that, I guess. Sure, I suppose. I mean, you know, I have a YouTube channel. I have a... I mean, isn't everybody a blogger these days? Doesn't everybody have Instagram or whatever, TikTok? Isn't that like what everyone does, or is that not a thing in the Philippines?
Not in the Philippines, sir.
Oh, really? In the Philippines, not many people do that?
Yeah.
Social media, like, is not a big thing? I mean...
Social media is a big thing in the Philippines. But like a vlogger, some Filipinos are too shy to video like documentary what happened in the Philippines, whatever you do, like that.
Wait, what's the difference between like social media and blogging?
Different. What do you call that?
Do I really have to wear the helmet? It's so hard to hear.
Yeah, because in Philippines, rules in the...
Yeah, it's one of the rules they keep, huh?
Yes, sir, because number one important thing is safety first.
Well, I mean, sure, safety first, but you can buy cigarettes for 9 pesos anywhere, so, or it's going up, 12, 13. Every country has a million rules, but they only keep the ones they want to keep. But I guess here in the Philippines, they want to keep the one with the helmets. In Egypt, they have the helmet thing too, they just don't care. Nobody wears them.
Because in some city, our audience, if you do not wear helmet, ticket like enforcer, when you see the no wearing helmet, it's just like ticket like that, sir.
Right, of course, yeah.
Like this.
I want to get a bike. I want to ride a bike around. I like this. I want to get my own, and I will not wear a helmet. Let them catch me.
Catch you, the enforcer, sir.
Huh?
The enforcer, the Manila.
They enforce, huh?
Yes. Because here in Philippines, part of the pinapatutan. I bad, sir.
What?
I bad this. English not to, you know, better to English. Some
Yeah.
Filipinos are on Filipino language, dialect.
Uh-huh.
Where some Filipinos have difficult to say the English word. Because some words from Tagalog into English is what do you call that?
Yeah, difficult.
Difficult like that, sir. Why is this Rado? You know.
All right, happy manok, lechon manok, and cocoa pan, and a guy with plants in front of us. Bianca surf and pint. Something, can't really tell. Interesting enough street. Some art on the wall, presumably it's a school. Social development center. My first ride on a motorbike in the Philippines. Wish we'd get past this guy right here. There we go. Woohoo! Bravo, my driver. Bravo. Okay, now we got more. Wow. Okay. 9 a stick, but it's really 12 or 13 or up. Straight ahead you can see a 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven is the #1 economic promoter of the Philippines. This is a cool looking street, very human looking street right here. On this side, anyway. On the other side, a little less so. More commercial, but this is more human, with the commercial mixed in. Apparently it's a thing here. A lot of people ask if I'm a blogger just when they see me videoing anything, but I would have thought that these days pretty much everybody's a blogger. Everyone's, you know, Instagramming or whatever the heck else they're doing. Snapchat, TikTok, God only knows what's new. But apparently it's like a thing. I don't know. I couldn't tell you yet. And my driver's very knowledgeable, but because here in the Philippines, one of the laws they care about is helmets, except these lucky guys, those lucky bastards to our left, were not wearing helmets. But I guess, you know, as an economic endeavor, you know, he's picking me up with one of these Uber-like sort of things, so he's got to make sure I'm wearing a helmet, otherwise he can get in trouble. But the helmets kind of suck because it's hard to be able to speak to the driver, even though his English is excellent. So I got to do this sort of narration without checking in. Let's see what's over here. Chairman something village. I don't know. This is a pretty interesting place. I've got a couple of these from Alexandria where, praise Allah, I did not have to wear a helmet and where there were no discernible laws whatsoever. I can share those too, but this is more hectic. This is very more hectic. This is jungular. This is definitely tropical jungular. The feel here is cool. Got vegetables hanging in bags. Fish on the side of the road. I really dig this street. This street's very interesting. Super duper human. Yeehaw! Okay, now we're taking off. Now we're taking off. I don't know, kids party or a congressman running for office? Impossible to tell.
Are you comfortable, sir?
Yeah, I'm great. I see now that if I ride my own bike, I don't have to wear a helmet. But I guess only, for if you're taking someone else, they're very careful. It's raining a little bit, which happens here at times. Definitely one hell of an awesome ride. Thank you, my friend. This is a great ride. I love this. I really love this. This is an awesome, fascinating ride. What a look at the Philippines that I would not have had otherwise. If I took a car, I would not have this scene. Yeah, a little bit raining. What? Uh-huh. Well, this street's a little bit less charming than the really narrow, jungular ones we enjoyed before. That there, you see, that's like a pawn shop and money. Like it's complicated how they have a million ways to move money around. There's also massage shops all around. Presumably a sort of semi-prostitutional thing, but That's what I'm saying. Every country has its laws, and then of those laws, they have those laws they keep, and they have those laws they don't keep. But the exhaust when you're riding on one of these is pretty hellish. Exhaust coming from the garbage truck in front of us. Okay, sharp turn. Philippine Colombian Association. Here it seems we have a bunch of hogs. Dripping all kinds of oils and others. Oh, United Nations Avenue already. Sure. Near the water, near the UN, near the United States consulate or embassy, which is a big deal here in the Philippines. Bum ba ba bum bum. What's that?
May I have your YouTube channel?
Yeah. YD. YD. Yeah, no, but D. And go again. Y, D, like D, right? Y, D, Y, D, Y. Y, D, Y, that's it. Yeah. That's me.
Okay.
That's me. Looks like me, right? Hey. My first time on a bike here, so I figured I would record the experience. YDYDY on YouTube if you want to check it out. 5 letters. YDYDY. Howdy everybody. Hello. We got a community. See, the city part is less interesting than the small streets. I really found very interesting the small streets. Tim Horton, apparently Canada's gotten here. Love God, love people, or something. I think they're trying to sell something up there. And now we're more or less heading towards and into Intramuros, which is the old part of town apparently, where they have the museums. I'll go to the Museum of the History of the Philippines, which apparently the best one to go to is the Museum of Anthropology, but it's connected to some others, so we'll find out momentarily. Look at that, Philippine Bible Society, that's the denomination. A couple of subways, not too many, they're opening more. Surprisingly, the food isn't cheaper though. A bit of public transportation, but not all that much. Most of the public transportation is this sort of thing you see right here, these guys, which everyone tells me not to take, but of course I will ignore once I figure out how it works. Because the thing is, you have to know the routes. You have to know, be able to read what it says on the side. If you don't know the names of the locations, you're not really going to go anywhere. But I can do what I did in Egypt, which is just get in, see what happens without any plan. This is Move It over there, advertising. That's what I'm actually on. Move It by Grab. St. Isabel College. Tight spot. Arms within the vehicle. Normal University. Normal University. I uploaded a short a few days ago. The University of Perpetual Hell. It might have originally said Hell, but it came down to saying Hell. So I guess the names are more literal around here. There we go. That's our museum. Anywhere you like.
Okay. I will go.
Okay. I got it. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. I gotta pay you. Is it automatic or let me take this off so I can hear. Hold on. All right, turning this business off. Hope you enjoyed.